Yes, the classic line. Let's move on to this product and explore it. Record, mommy. Record. Use this as blooper. Record. Record. Let's move on to the highlights of this product. Classic line. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're obviously doing another unboxing video. And Happy Navaratri and Diwali! Westerners out there, it's an Indian festival, okay? I'm not going to explain it because this video would be 20 minutes long by now. So let's continue with the unboxing. Welcome to Amazon Great Indian Festival! There are a lot of products on sale, so hope you guys grab it. This is from a popular brand called FGear. Yes, the magnificent classic line. I got it on a deal and that was a steal. Hello! Anyways, this is the product. It's pretty big. But when you stand right in front of it, it's pretty tiny compared to you. So, we're gonna hold it stiff. As you see, this cannot stand. It's a baby. Well, basically, an object that cannot stand. Oh. Anyway, we ripped this pig. Okay, editor, put pig sticker here. Okay, time to get this magical product out. It's a backpack. I had no idea what this was at first. So let's get right into the ripping packages. Yes. Okay. You're really impatient like me, but you don't want to make an embarrassment of yourself in front of your subscribers. It's better that you use scissors. Beautiful. I'm now Italian. Okay, this backpack is big. Bigger than my own dog. So, yeah. There is this card thingy. And let's just give you a view of how this beautiful backpack looks like. Okay, first of all, I'm going to say what I like about this backpack. But let's continue on the next part of the video. It's the magnificent classic line. I got it on a deal and that was a steal. It's from a very popular brand called FGear. Now let's move to the highlights of this product. It is a 27 liters laptop backpack. You can comfortably fit your laptop in this nice backpack. It comes with an adjustable shoulder strap for your comfort. It can be long or short. It depends on your comfort. Let's explore the compartments of this beautiful and gorgeous black backpack. I mean brown. So let's continue. So let's explore these things. You can throw your pencil. Here's an example. Throwing your pencil, not really throwing it, but you're keeping it inside your phone, your car keys, all of that stuff. Your eraser, whereas the 60s kids, rubber. Anyway, let's move on to the second compartment. In here, you can throw in your phone, your books, your paper, and all of that stuff anything like this that can fit in this backpack in particular. It is supposed to be here, not here. This is very small, tiny space. So let's close the space and let's move on to the third compartment. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be big, like big. Oh. I made a mistake, but here you could just plop in your phone. But there's a special place where, for example, if you have a laptop, yes, this is your laptop, just an example. You can keep it in this compartment. Jesus Christ, this. This laptop is quite heavy, but yeah, I'm a tiny person and I have a lot of struggle with keeping a laptop inside. So let's keep it back inside. And you see this Velcro strap. You see this weird place. You see it sometimes. Place them here and boom, your laptop is secure. It won't just plop out of your bag out of nowhere. If you're going on an airplane, a bus, a car, all of that travel stuff. And you can plop random things in here like the scissors. We explored the third compartment. And now let's move on to the next highlight of this product. Boop. The zipper quality is really amazing. As you see, that's moving things really fast. And you can just easily close it or open it when you're in a hurry. Also, it's very buttery smooth. It won't get stuck in between. This backpack comes with a beautiful, smooth, butter cake leather finish. Just buy this backpack because this is one of the best parts of this backpack. I really recommend it. Honestly, just buy it. If you can't afford it, that's okay. I'm not forcing you. But the leather finish is almost everything. Overall, it looks premium, guys. So definitely buy it so that random people will be like, oh nice, you have a premium backpack, when you really don't. Like, nice. It comes with 2 water bottle compartments. One is here on the left side for me and one is here on the right side for me. Both are for me. It is made of very sturdy material. Beginner for solo travelers or traveling for a couple of days. So this is beginner friendly and pro friendly. Definitely. You can fit some things like your clothes, like these, like t-shirts, pants, except for shoes because those are way too thick to even fit in this. Except for this laptop. The laptop can fit in the third compartment, but you can fit clothes in this backpack if you're traveling somewhere else. This backpack is very suitable for executives, students like me, students, travelers, which I am one, vloggers, and so on. The color combination is really beautiful. Like the black, the black is one of my favorites, but the brown, mostly my favorite part. And one is olive green and other one is brown, which is what I have right now. It's value for money. The product quality is stunning. It comes with a 1-year warranty. It's best for domestic flights. I recommend it. That's all, guys. You enjoyed this beautiful, amazing unboxing video. And hopefully you find this product useful. If you are really interested in buying this product, link in the description. Of course, why not? It's very suitable for men and boys. Women can also use this too. Ah yes, the magnificent classic line. I got it on a deal and that was a steal. Hopefully you guys find my unboxing videos entertaining and helpful. And make sure to like, share, subscribe, and join my channel. Send me donations. Come to my home. I'll get your phone number. That's just way too much, fam. No need to send me donations about that stuff. I'll accept you subscribing to me or sharing my videos or liking my videos. And you joining my membership. Make sure to press that join button. I'll see you guys in my next interesting unboxing video. So AK7DOLL TV will be signing off. Also, happy Navratri and Diwali and happy Halloween. Mwah! Love you all.